How to fix Twitch Studio black screen problem. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. When you're trying to access your Twitch application, however, it is showing black screen only, there are two such ways by which you can fix this issue. To get started with, first and foremost, you have to make sure you have the updated version of the application. In order to do so, open Play Store if you're using Android device. After that, you have to search for the Twitch application and tap on the update button if it is available. After that, if you try to relaunch the application, it should probably work. However, if it does not, let's move on to the next step. Long press your Twitch application and go to App Info. Once you tap on App Info, tap on Storage and Cache. After that, click on Clear Cache. And once this is done, you can relaunch the application and it should work perfectly. You can follow the similar steps in iPhone as well, but in that you'll have to use the App Store and instead of uninstalling, you can offload your application as well. Another thing you can do for Android is uninstall the device and then install the application again on the device. After that, restart your device once, and once you relaunch, your problem should be fixed. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.